Welcome back to school, everybody. As you know, we're going to do distance learning in the afternoon. And even though you nailed it last spring, we're going to do even better this year. So when you get home, make sure you have a nice quiet place to work with a desk. And when we do our Zoom meetings this year, I want you to make sure that your computer is charged ahead of time and that you are ready to learn. Ready to learn? What does that mean? That means I want you to have a sharp pencil ready to go. And your books and your workbooks that we're going to be using, they should be right next to you as well. Have a piece of scrap paper. You just might need it. Make sure you've gone to the bathroom ahead of time. And make sure you also have a snack ahead of time, because sometimes when people eat on a Zoom meeting, it gets a little bit distracting. Speaking of distracting, while we're on our Zoom meeting, please don't change the background because I get wicked distracted, and keep your name the same. Also, if we're meeting in a large group, put your microphone on pause until you're ready to speak. So you'll find all your afternoon work on Google Classroom. And when you do that, you go on Google Classroom and check your assignments daily. You might be asked to create a Google Docs or maybe even a video like this one to respond to your assignments. I'll probably have you upload a picture of your work because this year we're going to try and do everything digitally. Make sure that you pass in your work at the end of each night and look at the homework that I have corrected to see what went wrong. When you do your independent work, it needs to be independent just like the word says. Please do all the work by yourself. It's okay to make a mistake because that's how we learn. You might want to ask your parents a few questions, but you are to do the work. Try and do your assignments daily because sometimes if you get behind, it's hard to catch up. And if you have any questions about your work, especially if you have a tech problem, and we all know that can happen, call me immediately and I can help you. I don't mind. That's why I'm here. You'll also be asked to do your Dreambox and Lexia in the afternoon. And even though these are fun things to do, please be mindful when you do them because this is part of your learning experience. Check your work when you're finished and make sure you reread your written work and check for any spelling mistakes or grammar mistakes. Remember, I'm keeping track of all your work, so do your best. And we are going to have a fabulous year. Looking forward to it.